Okay, so I have been given this 5 variable k-map, 5 variable minimization problem by a user in one of the videos. So uh, Kamil Karim has given me the problem. So I thought of doing this one. So I have done some here already, but I will explain what I have done. So there are five terms here. This one, and I have uh, written them in different colors, and I have marked the two k-maps because it's 5 variables, so there will be two k-maps, one representing a bar, which is this one, and other one representing a, which is this one. So that's there. So here are the 5 terms, and I have placed the terms in the k-maps accordingly. So let's look at the first one. I have already done it, but I will explain what I have done. So first one is this one, A, B, C bar, D bar, E. So that's A, B, C bar, D bar, E. Since it has A, it will be only in this k-map on the right one because that represents A. Now we will have to just identify the cell which is B, C bar, D bar, E. That one is B, C bar, D bar, E, that is this one, which I have I don't know, I probably will use the same color. I will try to. I don't know whether I will be able to. So this one, this is B, C bar, D bar, E, that's there. After that I have done this one, which is A bar, B, C, D bar, E bar. Since it has A bar, only it has an A term, that's A bar, it will be this k-map. So we will have to just find BC, D bar, E bar. BC is this one, D bar, E bar, that is this cell, this one, the one that I am placing now, this one, that's BC, D bar, E bar. So that's there. Then the third one, which is in green color, so that's A, B bar, C. It has A, so it is in this one, A, B bar, C. So A, B, actually I think it was A, B, C. Let me just double check. Yes, that's actually A, B, C. This bar is something else. That's, yeah, so that's A, B, C. So this is our A k-map, and BC is all these 4 cells. So this one, this one, this one, this one, that's BC. And after that we move to, I don't know the color, maybe this one. So that's A bar, D, E. Yeah, this one, A bar, D, E. A bar, so it's the left k-map, this one. D, E, that is this row, 4 of them. D, E, all the DEs basically. So that's there. Finally we have the last one, which is in red color, A bar, B, C, E. So we have all of them have A terms, so they are either in one k-map or the other. So that's how they end up. If there were no A's, then we have had to place in both the k-maps. We have seen that in our example, but for this particular one, all the terms have A1 in them. Anyway, so A bar, B, C, E. A bar means again this k-map, B, C, E. So BC, that one, and E. E means there will be both E's. So this E, this E. So this one and this one. I have given 2 ones here because they are coming from 2 different terms basically. So anyway, it's like that. Now I have to do the the work of minimization. So what I can see here, if we look at, we can form a 4 variable group, group of 4, sorry, with this one and this one here. So if we do that, what will be the expression? It will it will not have any A because they are in both the cells, and these 4, so that will have BC, and we will have D bar. So I will write that BC and D bar. So that's there. D bar because D bar, D bar. Okay, so this is done. Now we can do this group. It has to go by itself, which is just as it was. So that was A bar DE. So plus A bar DE. Now when we look here, these two are already done. This, for these 4, for these 2 we will do it with all these. So it is becoming again ABC. So plus ABC. Finally only this cell is left here. So instead of taking it by itself, we cannot do with the other K-map because there is nothing here. So what we will do, we will form this group. So that will become A, I will write it A, then we have B not changing here, so B, and then we have here D bar E, D bar E. So that's our minimized expression.